Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which of the following numbers is smaller than 53,944,175 and larger than 53,894,175? Firstly, we can observe that from given options A and C, A and D, that is 49,934,175 and 53,934,175 are smaller than 53,944,175. Now, out of these two options from these two options, means from A and D, from these two options, the numbers larger than 53,894,175 is 53,934,175. That is option D. Hence, we can write the numbers like this: 53,894,175 less than 53,934,175 is less than 53,944,175. That is, our correct option is option D.